This question was shown on social media. Half the answers were wrong. Why is it that sometimes when you do maths, you can get completely different answers just by changing the order? Let's explore the hidden rules that dictate the correct sequence of operations. We are continuing our journey through the integer islands, where each island reveals a unique math skill. Last time we mastered several essential lessons. Our next adventure is order of operations with integers. In this video, I'll reveal two critical keys that have unlocked my students' understanding on this lesson. Stay tuned to uncover these secrets and see how they can benefit you too. Starting with the first key. If we look at this example, this is a little confusing since there are two ways we could answer this question. Option 1, you could add first. 5 plus 3 equals 8, then times 4 equals 32. Option 2, you could multiply first. 3 times 4 equals 12, then add 5, that equals 17. Which option is correct? We can't have this uncertainty in mathematics. Since math is a language, we want it to be the same for everyone. Let's discover the correct rules of operations. Looking at multiplication, what does it actually mean? If we go back to 3 times 4, it's an abbreviation of something. Do you know what it's an abbreviation of? Multiplication is an abbreviation of addition. It's like a shortcut. So looking back, we can rewrite the question without the abbreviation and write 5 plus 3 groups of 4. Now if we add all the terms, we get the answer 17. So looking back, this is option 2, and option 1 is incorrect. What about the situations where a person needs to complete the addition first? In that case, we would put brackets in the question. Remember, if the brackets are in the expression, this is the symbol we use to highlight we complete this calculation first. Additionally, there is an acronym that helps you remember the order. But it is important you understand why and where the acronym comes from. We just explained that if we want a person to complete a particular operation first, we put brackets in the expression. So brackets is first. The next operation we have not discovered yet. This is indices. We will explore this in a later topic. Next, we perform the abbreviations multiplication and division. And finally, we complete addition and subtraction last. This creates the acronym BIDMAS. Does this work with negative numbers? Absolutely. If you wrote the following expression without the abbreviations, then completed the addition or subtraction, it will be the same result as before, highlighting the order of brackets first, then indices, then division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Now the second key. Here you'll realize just how important every step is towards your answer. Think of order of operation questions like a scavenger hunt, where one clue in the scavenger hunt is the same as completing one operation in your question. Here is a map. If you follow each of the 3 clues correctly, you will finish at the correct destination. And if you incorrectly follow even just one clue, you'll be lost, or in terms of maths, you'll get the question wrong. So let's learn how to actually complete these questions. If we had the following problem, I know it looks confusing. If you take it slow and follow the order of operations one step at a time, you'll be fine. Firstly, I notice I have brackets in the question. So for the first line, let's complete 2 minus 6. This equals negative 4. So rewrite the next line, bringing down the operations we haven't answered yet. Next, we do multiplication before addition, and negative 3 times negative 4, this equals positive 12. Again, rewriting the next line, bringing down the operations we haven't answered yet. And finally, 12 plus 10 equals 22. Awesome. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.